my dear students, welcome back to our video lesson class. I hope you all are absolutely fine and safe at your home. So dear students, already we have entered into new academic year. With this, we have completed our bridge course portion, conducted the test, and I would like to congratulate all the students. They have done very well in the examination. So dear students, now it's time to know about our syllabus. So be ready with these new concepts. Concepts. Let's understand, what do you mean by science? Before going to the concept, let me introduce myself. My name is Jyoti Upadhyay, MSc B.Ed in General Chemistry. This year I am going to handle as a class teacher of class 7 standard. With this, I am going to teach you the meaning and the concepts of science subject. So dear students, let's discuss, what do you mean by the science? What is the importance of science? Okay. So here, when we are going to talk about the science is the study of the nature, behavior of natural things and the knowledge that we obtain about them. So, this is the study of nature, means our surrounding, atmosphere, what is the behavior of the natural things, and what about the knowledge we can gain from them. So this is the study of science. Another way to explain the science concept, this is the divided into 3 categories. So I hope you all are familiar these 3 categories, that is physics, chemistry and the biology. So these are the main 3 branches of the science which we are going to discuss here. Let us discuss one by one. So on this image, what you can observe? So here, this is the electricity. It is used in our home as well as industries. So here lots of uses are there about the electricity. Energy. So we are going to put some energy. We can gain the energy. So energy is another concept. Force and the motion. Gravity. Heat. Light. Matter. Sounds. Okay. Magnetism. So these all concepts are physically we are going to deal here. Physically means we are going to activate the activity in a physical manner. So that is the physics. So here, how you are going to define the physics concept? Physics is the branch of science that deals with the properties and interaction of space, time, matter and the energy, and as well as physics is often termed as the study of everything. Okay, so physics is the branch. Which branch it is? It is the branch of science that deals with the properties and interaction of space. Okay, time, matter, energy. So these all concepts we are going to discuss in the physics concept. Now let's discuss the another branch of science. Okay. So what you can observe here, the physical change of water into ice. So before the water, it is in a liquid form. Then later on, after freezing the water, you can observe here, this is in the form of cubes, ice cubes. So what you can observe here, this is the physical change of water into ice. So how it is changed? What are the reactions are going on here? At what temperature we are going to discuss here? So this all concepts we are going to discuss in the chemistry concept, as well as the chemical changes. So you are well familiar about the chemical changes, about the acidity in your body, how it is happened. So this academic year we are going to discuss the same concept in a brief manner. Okay. So how you are going to define the chemistry? It is the science that deals with the composition, structure, properties of the substance with the transformation, whether it is possible to transform one form to the other form. So this all the concepts we are going to deal in the chemistry concept. Okay. Now let's discuss the another branch of science, that is biology. Here the simple concept about the biology means we are going to discuss or learn or deals with the concept of living organism. Living organism. So you can see in this image plants, animals, birds, human beings. So these all concepts we can learn in the biology concept. So how you are going to define this biology definition? So the biology definition you can define in this form, that biology is defined as the study of living organism, their origins, anatomy, morphology, physiology, behavior and the distribution. Origins means how it can be originate before the human beings, whether they were human being itself or it is the another family. So here we are going to discuss here one by one. When we will going to start the learning the lessons, you will get the idea that how it is divided into the biology concept. So till that time you have to keep in your mind that biology is the study of the living organism. Okay, the biology is study of living organism. Now this academic year which textbook we are referring? We are referring the Cambridge University 3rd edition, that is the I Explore. Okay, this is the main basic concept of Cambridge Learn. So this is very good book to learn the concept. So what are the importance of Cambridge, that why we are referring this Cambridge textbook? It is the help to educate the students. With this, a Cambridge education prepares students for life, helping them develop a informed curiosity and the lasting passion for the learning. It gives the passion for the learning because this concept is very clear and students get an easy concept in this. So that's why we have referred these Cambridge textbooks. As well as students determine which course they want to take in the future. They are easily differentiate the concept. So the Cambridge Learns or Cambridge books helps to determine the course that they want to take, and they are able to create a schedule of course that are relevant to their future goals. So it gives the knowledge as well as the differentiation that determines the future goals. So that's why we have referring this textbook. So these are the contents. This year you have a totally 17 lessons which is divided in total 7 units. Okay, unit 1, unit 2, unit 3 we are going to complete in the first semester before the semester examination. Then later on from unit 4 to unit 7 we are going to deal in the second semester. Okay, so this contains will give you brief idea that which lessons we are going to deal in this academic year. So today we have introduced the syllabus, but before attending the next class you have to complete this homework. What is today's homework? Differentiate the units among physics, chemistry and the biology. So you have to differentiate that which concept is coming into the physics concept, which chapter is coming into chemistry concept and which concept is coming into biology concept. And with this second question you have to answer here that what are the main sources of food. So this question you have to be complete it and you have to be sent in the form of PDF on my WhatsApp number. Already in that group the class teachers as well as the subject teachers we have introduced there. And with this you have to be prepare a 200-page notebook, 200-page notebook for the classwork. Okay, and in this itself, this classwork itself, you have to make a partition about the classwork and the homework. So one side you have to be complete classwork and another side you have to be complete your homework. In classwork we are going to solve only the exercise questions, only exercise questions, and in homework daily I will give you some few of the homework which is related to the concept, so you have to be carry out and solve it. So dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Thank you for watching my video. Till that time we will meet in the next class. Till that time, take a safe and have a good day. Bye bye.